Okay, just want to make a little video. Today I'm cutting out the cow tank. So anyway, I'm just using a grinding wheel, a cutting wheel, and start cutting it out. I already made a little cut right here, and we're going to cut it out, and I'm going to show you what we got. All right, look in here and see what we got. This is the main reason I had to pull it. These things are corroded. I don't know, I was thinking about some creative way to fix them, but everything I saw was said just replace this thing. Okay, so that's my hat. Lift it out. Full of dirt, debris, hole here. Yep. It's worth replacing. On this side, here. This side, full of dirt. Debris, rust. Anyway, start taking it out. Now, this up here, I'm going to be real careful. I saw Joe Daddy's garage. He actually grinds the weld here, and it doesn't drill through, and tries to grind this off to preserve the dash metal, and that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to preserve that. I'm going to try to cut that out that way, and anyway, I'm going to try to do the best I can to fix it up. All right.